Welcome to this video where we'll explore a common issue that many Excel users face when trying to access a named range to insert a value. If you've ever struggled with getting this to work, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the details of why accessing a named range might not be working as expected and what steps you can take to resolve the issue. Being able to easily access and manipulate data within Excel is crucial for productivity and accuracy. Named ranges are an incredibly powerful tool that allows users to assign names to specific cells or ranges, making it easier to reference them in formulas and functions. However, when trying to insert a value into one of these named ranges, some users find themselves hitting a brick wall. Throughout this video, we'll break down the key concepts involved in accessing named ranges and provide a clear step-by-step explanation of how to successfully insert values into them. Whether you're an Excel novice or seasoned pro, understanding how to work with named ranges is essential for getting the most out of your spreadsheet experience. To start off, let's define what a named range is. A named range in Excel allows you to give a name to a cell or range of cells, making it easier to identify and reference them in formulas and functions. This can significantly simplify complex spreadsheets by allowing users to use descriptive names instead of cell references. However, when trying to insert a value into a named range using certain methods, such as through VBA code or specific Excel formulas, the process might not work as anticipated. There are several reasons for this. Firstly, it's crucial that you understand how Excel interprets named ranges in different contexts. Named ranges can be scoped either at the workbook level or worksheet level. This means that if a named range is defined within a specific sheet, trying to access it from another sheet might not work as expected unless it's explicitly referenced. Secondly, ensure that there are no naming conflicts. Excel doesn't allow duplicate names for ranges within the same scope. If you're trying to create or access a named range with a name already in use, Excel will throw an error. Lastly, pay attention to how you're referencing the named range. The syntax for accessing a named range can be quite specific, especially when using it within formulas or VBA code. A small mistake in spelling or capitalization can lead to errors. To overcome these challenges, let's go through a step-by-step process of how to correctly access and insert values into a named range. 1. Define your named range. Start by defining your named range using the Formulas tab on the ribbon and selecting Define Name. Give your range a unique and descriptive name. 2. Scope understanding. Ensure you understand whether your named range is scoped at the workbook or worksheet level, as this affects how it can be accessed. 3. Conflict check. Double check that there are no naming conflicts by reviewing existing names in the Name Manager. 4. Accurate reference. When accessing the named range, ensure that your reference is accurate and correctly formatted, paying close attention to spelling, capitalization, and any necessary sheet references. 5. Test your reference before proceeding with inserting values. Test that you can successfully reference your named range in a formula or through VBA code to ensure everything is set up correctly. By following these steps and understanding the nuances of how Excel handles named ranges, you should be able to overcome common issues and successfully insert values into your named ranges. Understand what a named range is and its benefits. Recognize the importance of scope, workbook versus worksheet level, when defining and accessing named ranges. Ensure unique names for your ranges to avoid conflict. Pay close attention to how you reference your named range in formulas or VBA code. In this video, we've covered why accessing a named range to insert a value might not work as expected, and walked through a detailed explanation of the steps involved in successfully doing so. Understanding these concepts is key to mastering Excel and streamlining your workflow. If you have any questions or need further clarification on anything discussed, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, and consider subscribing for more content aimed at helping you get the most out of Excel. Thanks for watching.